We're ready to roll now. All right. At the beginning of this unit, I talked about you could do a survey, a controlled experiment, or an observational study to collect all this data. I want to focus on the next 3 days on experimental studies. What happens in an experiment again? What do I do to you guys? Split you up into 2 groups. I give one group the treatment, give one group what we call a placebo, which is fake treatment. Looks like the treatment, but not really. Okay? Take a look at exercise 1 up there. We're going to suppose 50 people are going to try out for a new diet pill to increase weight loss. I divide them into 2 groups. Here's what I want to know right now. Let's do it right here. So here are my 2 groups, left side, right side here. Let's say I gave these guys the diet pill, gave these guys the placebo, a fake pill. I noticed a change in everybody that took the weight pill. But is it due just to the pill? Is it just because of the, what do you think? Is it just because of the pill that they lost weight? Could it be? It could be, right? Just because of the pill. Or it could be what? What other factors could be that they lost weight? Other than just maybe the pill worked. Could be for what? Come on, I'm going to wait here, going to wait. What other factors? They may have lost weight because, Catherine? They could be exercising. All right? That's called natural causes. Something other than the treatment caused the difference. All right? Something other than the pill caused the difference. In this case, exercise. What else? Any other factors you could think other than the pill could have led to the weight loss? Diet, right? Maybe their diet caused their weight loss. It might not necessarily be the pill. And then one I also came up with is maybe some people have better metabolism. So here, the treatment did not cause the difference. So that's what's called natural causes. Now, let's say the pill actually did work. It was because of the pill that these guys lost weight. That would be by induced causes, all right? The treatment caused the difference. All right? And that's our goal the next 3 days, is we're going to do an experiment today. And I want to know, did the treatment cause the difference, or was it just by random chance? Exercise, diet, metabolism, right? That's what I have to show you guys in the next 3 days, right? Did the treatment cause the difference, or did just random chance cause the difference? Are we all ready to go swimming with dolphins? Yeah, let's go. Don't get too excited. Anybody big weekend plans? Nope, didn't think so. Okay, moving on. Nothing, Lucas? Just balling up in the corner of your room, chilling? Okay. All right. Where do you work? Okay. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Oh, wow. Wow, look at this. Little chopper in the house here. I like it. Little PC. Do we all do the same thing or no? Cashier? Glenmont, Slingerlands? Glenmont. Well, maybe I'll have to make an appearance one day. Drive on down there. All right. That was fun. Okay. Are you friendly with the customers? Oh, okay. Lovely experience then. Going to the, don't get in your line then, huh? I could just see it, just being all awkward with everyone. All right. Let me just give you a little background from this experiment. We had 30 people who had depression. We told them, stay off your medication. All right, and then we took 15 randomly, put them with swimming with dolphins, and then the other 15 we put in what's called our control group. They did not swim with the dolphins. We did this for 2 weeks, and then we reevaluated their level of depression. And if you guys go to the next page, you'll see the results after 2 weeks. Okay, you will see the results. Okay, so of the 15 that were in the Dolphin group, 10 people reduced their depression, 5 did not. Okay, in the control group that did not swim with dolphins, 3 reduced their depression and 12 did not. Okay, so here's what I need first. There's some crazy looking letters with little hats on them. That's cute, huh? But I tell you what they mean up above. All right, so everyone take a look. P with a subscript D, read it up with me below, up above. That's the sample proportion of subjects who swam with dolphins and had reduced depression. Okay, so let me turn it over to you guys now. How many people swam with the dolphins total? Here we go, 17. How many swam with the dolphins total? 15, right? And out of those 15, Alex, how many had reduced depression? 10. Everyone see where we're getting that from? 10 swam with the dolphins. 15 swam with them. 10 had reduced depression. And it's asking for a sample proportion. Remember our dot plots we did yesterday? They were all as a decimal, right? So please turn this into a decimal. 10 out of 15 point. Two-thirds, 0.6, I'm going to go 0.667. Okay, because when we leave it as a sample proportion, we leave it in decimal form. Okay? So everyone all right on that one? Okay, what about the control group? P subscript C. That's everyone who in the sample did not swim with dolphins and also had reduced depression. All right, so let's find that probability out. We already got you already 17. How about 2? 2? Okay, Megan, how many didn't swim with dolphins? 15, and how many reported reduced level of depression? 3. 3 out of 15. And then whenever you're ready there, Megan, let me point 2. So let me stop you right there. Who saw a better gain? The people who swam with dolphins or people who did not? The people who swam with dolphins. And here's our job today before I answer anything else. Was it because of the dolphins or was it because of just random chance, the group they were put in? Right? That's what we have to figure out today. Was it really due to the dolphins swimming with the dolphins or just by random chance? Okay, they were just more people were put into the group. More people were put into the dolphin group that had reduced stress. Okay? So let's figure out some of the other questions and then we'll answer that main one in here. So what is the dolphin group minus the control group? What's the difference between their means? Difference between their means. Go ahead. 16. What's the difference between their means? 0.467 minus 2. Yep, 0.467. Thanks, Brooke. What if this value, what would it mean if this value came out to be negative? Meaning this number was bigger than this one. What would that mean to us? Right? Because right now, if this number is going to be negative, that means the control has to be bigger than the dolphin one. What would that mean then? If that number came out to be negative. I'm not looking for any real right answer here. 3, what do you think? Well, not necessarily wasn't who had the better results. Control group. Thank you. So the control group improved more than the dolphin group. If it were negative, which it's not, but that's what it would mean if it were negative. The control group improved more than the dolphin group. Okay? So this number, 0.467. Here's the question I'm going to answer with you right now. Why did the dolphin group improve more than the control group? You got one of, and I don't want you to write this. There's one of 2 reasons why. Dolphins actually work. That's why the dolphin people had better results. Dolphins actually work. Or, what did we say before? It's just by random chance. And that's that natural causes I referred to at the beginning of class. Had nothing to do with the dolphins. It was just totally by chance. Okay. So we need to figure out, well, why? Why did the Dolphin people experience less depression than the control group? We need to figure out which one it is. Is it because the Dolphins actually worked or by random chance? And what we're going to do right now is see if it was by random chance or not. Okay? Was it by random chance? So I'm going to go slow here and see if you understand what I'm about to do. If it was by random chance, I should mix up all the people again, separate them, mix them up again, separate them, mix them up again, separate them, and I should still get right around 0.467, right around there. If it was by random chance. Is everybody in agreement with me here? Everyone see what we're about to do? I'm going to do many, many times, mix them up, divide them up into 15s. Mix them up, divide them up into 15. And if it was by just random chance, I should still get a number around 0.467. Are we okay on that? Please, guys, before I move on, we're going to see if this was by random chance or not by literally, what do I want to say here? Putting them back into a group of 30, randomly going 15 and 15, randomly going 15 and 15. And I should get results that are right around here again. If I don't, if I start getting results that are way off from 0.467, was this by random chance? No, it was by what? The Dolphins actually work. So that's what we're going to do right now. Everybody good? And you don't have to do anything. You could just get to watch here. I know, a video in math class. And how mind-blown is this? Somebody at home right now is going to be watching a YouTube video, How about that? Okay, everyone ready? So that's where we are right now. 3 improved in the control group, 10 improved in the Dolphin group. Okay, we're going to shuffle them and see what ends up happening. Shuffle them once. Is once going to be good enough, by the way? Just doing this once? What's good enough? More and more and more and more. All right, here we go. That's not me, by the way. God forbid. Now I got 2 people talking at the same time. People at home are going nuts. So we reshuffled 15-15.
Just by chance.
Now take a look at our results. Now take a look. Dolphin, 40%. Control, 46%. Everyone on their calculator right now. Here we go. Dolphin minus control means, let me know what you end up with. Dolphin minus control. 0.4 minus 0.467. What are we ending up with? Anything close to what we just got is our observed difference. No? So does that still mean anything? Not yet, because we only did what? 1? We got to keep doing this, right?
Yes, we got 6 improvers out of 15, or 40% in the Dolphin therapy group, and 7 improvers out of 15, or 46.7% in the control group.
That's good.
This gives us a difference in proportions of a negative 0.067.
Okay, that's what you guys just got on your calculator.
Start making a dot plot.
You guys don't have to. We just started making one down below. You're welcome, by the way.
Now let's repeat this process.
Shuffle it again. Here we go. Random group of 15-15.
This time we got 8.
Go ahead. What's my difference? 53.3 and 33.3 now. What's my difference? Point? 0.2. Anywhere around what our observed difference was? No, so we're starting to figure out here. Maybe it's not by random chance, all right, that the Dolphin people did better. All right, so I'm just going to let this play for about another minute. He's going to do a couple more trials with the dot plot.
5 improvers, or 33.3% in the control group. This gives us a difference in proportions of 0.2.
Nice job, bro.
Add this dot to our dot plot of good and then values. We repeat this process again. This time we find that 7 improvers, or 46.7%, end up in the Dolphin therapy group, and 6 improvers, or 40%, end up in the control group.
Great.
This gives us a difference in proportions of 0.06.
Still not near our observed difference.
Note that none of these simulated results are as extreme as our actual observed difference of a 0.467.
We're all in agreement with that. Yep, we've done that the last 3 times.
Might be unlikely to occur just by chance. But we
Darn right.
results. In class, I would have each of my students shuffle the
Yeah, well,
cards and compute a difference.
we don't roll the same way.
They would then plot those differences on the board, and the results might look something like this.
Which is what most of you guys have
This class
on your dot plot right now.
find that only one result was as
So as you can see here, they did it 30 times. They did this 30 times, and that's what it ended up with on your dot plot right now. So by random shuffling, this is what we ended up with right here. Here's where ours is way out here. What do we think? Do you think this happened by random chance? Because every time we did it by random chance, this is the proportions we have. Not our proportion, though. Our proportion's way out here. Everyone agree? Okay, 30, though, we could probably do more, just to see. So what happened here on the next page that you guys go to, we did 100 shuffles. Instead of 30, we did 100. Still, guys, look. When we shuffled randomly 100 different times, see where everything came, all the proportions came out to be. Where's our observed proportion? Still way off. Not even part of it. Okay, not even part of it. So do we think that this occurred because of random chance? No. And do you see why I'm saying everyone's saying no right now? Because when we did it by random chance, here are the values we have. So that wasn't by random chance that we got our value of 0.467. So it must have been because of what then? If it wasn't by random chance, the treatment actually worked. The Dolphins actually worked. Okay? See how that we just concluded that. All right, so that's what we're going to be doing here when we see if treatment works or not. We're going to totally reshuffle the deck, do a bunch of random experiments, random, a bunch of them, 100 or more, and see where our observed difference falls. If it falls within, it was because of random chance. The treatment does not work. If it's way outside, like our Dolphin one is right now, we're going to say, okay, well, it's not by random chance, so the treatment must have worked. Okay? Questions? All right, we're going to finish this off strong, and you guys got the rest of the time to yourself here. On your own or in your group, give me a 95% confidence interval right now. This is what we did yesterday in class. Who answered? Lucas, you answered this question. What do I need to get to the confidence interval first? Need my margin of error. Patrick, you told us the margin of error was what? Yep. And the standard deviation is provided on that chart for you already. So go ahead, guys. I'll ask somebody in a second what your margin of error is. What's that? It should be on your paper up above. 0.186. Mean is 0.008. Okay, here we go. I'm going to ask some people. Number 5, what'd you get as your margin of error? Plus or minus? 0.372, yep. Make sure we all keep that plus or minus. Okay, confidence interval. Lucas, remind us again. Confidence interval is mean plus or minus my margin of error, yep. And the mean was 0.008 plus or minus that 0.372. So give me an interval we are 95% confident the mean will be in. Here we go, 3. Yep, negative 0.3. I should put the negative on the outside. Negative 0.364 plus, or sorry, to what? Now you add the 2 to 0.38. Again, if you don't know where Isabella got these values from, she subtracted the 2, then added the 2. That's where that plus or minus comes in. All right, guys, let's finish this off strong. Would it be unusual to find the sample proportion difference? That's what we found on the first page was what? 0.467? That's our 0.467 based on the simulation chart above. Would it be unusual to find that number on the simulation chart above? 15, what do we think? Yeah, why? It's not even on the chart, right? Yeah, you're fine, Brian. So yes, it never appeared on the chart. I think some of you guys feel like you got to give me some fancy mathematical wording. Nope. Never appeared on the chart. Could one conclude that swimming with dolphins causes a decrease in depression then? What do we conclude? Yes, because we eliminated the random chance. And hold on. I'm going to give you a new term here, how we're going to start answering these appropriately. Yes, because what was our observed difference again? Our observed difference. What was it? Because 0.467 was, okay, I'm going to use a new term here. Statistically significant. And what I mean by that, guys, if you're going to say a value is statistically significant, ready, Matt? We're saying it's unusual, an unusual occurrence. Unusual. How do we look, guys? It's also up there too, right? Unusual occurrence. That's what when you tell me a number is statistically significant, it hardly ever occurs. It's unusual. Whoa, hold on. I'm almost done, and then you guys can have the rest of the time. It was due to, what do we call this? Induced or natural causes? If it's based on the treatment. Brooke? Induced. If the treatment actually worked and it was because of the difference was because of the treatment, we call it induced. If it wasn't by the treatment, we call it natural. All right? Monday, get excited this weekend. Organic versus synthetic fertilizer. What'll make the plants grow faster? Cannot wait, everyone. You guys did a nice job there with me. I appreciate it.